how to connect a Brother device to SharePoint Online for printing and scanning purposes. To do this, you will need the actual Brother machine that you want to make the connection with, as well as a device with a web browser. Both of these things need to be connected to the internet. From the web browser, go to moi.bwc.brother.com. Then use these drop-down menus to select your country or region, language, and the name of your Brother device. After you have made your selections, press the Next button. Click the SharePoint Online button. You will need to accept the Brother Web Connect terms and conditions by clicking the Agree button. From here, this is where you need to sign into your Microsoft account. After signing in, you will need to grant permissions for your Brother device to make a connection to your SharePoint site by clicking the Accept button. Here is where you need to paste the full URL of your SharePoint document library. To do this, go into your SharePoint site. In this example, the site name is Brother Europe. Click the Documents option. Then copy the full URL and paste it into here. To continue, click the Next button. Then click the Register button. After a few short moments, you will be given an 11-digit ID number that needs to be typed into your Brother device within 24 hours. I will now take you through the process of how to type this ID number into your Brother device. Find and press the web icon. It is likely to be located in another menu. From here, press the SharePoint Online button. If this button is missing, you may need to swipe through to the other screens to find it. If you are still unable to find it, there is a good chance you are using one of our older models that does not support this function. After pressing the SharePoint Online button, press the OK button. Then press the Register/Delete Account button. From here, press the Register Account button. Then press the OK button. This is where you will need to type the 11-digit ID number from your web browser. Then press the OK button. From this screen, press the OK button again and give your SharePoint profile a name of up to 16 characters. When you are ready, press the OK button. From here, decide if you want to protect your SharePoint profile with a PIN. In this example, I will press the Yes button to show you what happens next. From here, type a 4-digit PIN. Then press the OK button. Check the details and press the Yes button to continue. Last of all, press the OK button to finish. From here, you can start using your new profile. Links on how to print and scan can be found in the description. Thank you.